Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy security and safety for you and your loved ones. Human beings need money to pay for all the things that make your life possible, such as shelter, food, healthcare bills, and a good education. You don't necessarily need to be Bill Gates or have a lot of money to pay for these things, but you will need some money until the day you die. Everyone wants to be rich, but few people know how to make it happen. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need much money to get started on the path to riches, and many of the world's wealthiest people started with very little. So, what's their secret? The answer is simple. It's all about how you manage your money. Business owners have more control over your income than most people. This means that you have the potential to amass a great deal of wealth if you're smart about it. However, it's not just about making as much money as possible. It's also about knowing how to save and invest that money wisely. Let's share some of the money secrets of the rich and show you how you can use them to build your own wealth. Number 1. Invest in yourself first. One of the biggest secrets of the rich is that they invest in themselves first. They understand that their success depends on their effort and ability, so they always look for ways to improve their skills and knowledge. As business owners, you should be doing the same thing. Continuously invest in your education and development to become better at what you do. The more valuable you are, the more money you will make, and the more money you will make, the easier it will be to amass wealth. Number 2. Live below your means. Another secret of the rich is that they live below their means. No matter how much money they make, they always find ways to save and invest as much as possible. They understand that it's not about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. Number 3. Create multiple streams of income. Another secret of the rich is that they typically have multiple streams of income. That way, if one stream dries up, they still have others to fall back on. As a business owner, you are in a prime position to create multiple streams of income for yourself. For example, you could start a blog or podcast related to your business and sell advertising or sponsorships. Or you could create an online course teaching others what you know. The possibilities are endless. But the important thing is to diversify your income so that you are never put in a position where all your eggs are in one basket. Number 4. Make your money work for you. Rich people don't just let their money sit idly in savings accounts. They make it work for them by investing it wisely. They understand that there are many ways to grow their wealth, and they are always looking for new opportunities. Remember that it's not just about making as much money as possible, it's also about making your money work for you. One of the easiest ways to do this is to invest it in assets such as real estate or stocks and bonds. That way, your money works for you even when you're not actively working. Investing always involves risk, so be sure to do your homework before putting any money into assets. Number 5. Give back. Finally, another big secret of the rich is that they are generous with their money. They understand that abundance comes from a place of giving, so they are always looking for ways to give back to others, whether it's through charitable donations or simply helping out a friend in need. While it might seem like the rich have all the luck in the world, the truth is that their success is largely due to their own effort and ability, two things that we all have control over. By following their lead and investing in yourself first, living below your means, making your money work for you, and giving back generously, you too can build wealth regardless of your starting point. That's it for today. So hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friend.